Can Palantir really hit $100 in the next decade? With its growing dominance in artificial intelligence, government contracts, and a commercial expansion that's gaining massive traction, Palantir could be one of the next big AI stocks. Adding to its momentum, Palantir's inclusion in the S&P 500 in September 2024 signals a new level of confidence from institutional investors, which could further fuel its stock price. In this video, we'll dive deep into Palantir's history, its innovative technology, and why I believe the stock could hit $100 in the next 10 years. Let's break it down. Understanding Palantir, what does the company actually do? Palantir was founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, and others. Palantir began with a clear mission: to help governments and organizations make sense of huge amounts of complex data. Their early work focused on helping U.S. government agencies prevent terrorism by using software that could find patterns in data to prevent threats. Think of Palantir as a superpowered software company that helps big organizations like governments, police forces, and businesses figure out what's happening in their data, whether it's tracking terrorist networks, managing logistics, or predicting market trends. Their name, Palantir, comes from the Lord of the Rings, those magical seeing stones that could see distant events, and in many ways, Palantir's technology is similar. It allows users to see through the vast noise of data and find actionable insights. They have three key platforms. Gotham, Palantir's first platform used by governments and intelligence agencies to manage data and gain critical insights. Foundry, a platform designed for corporate customers, allowing them to use big data for decision-making. Apollo, a continuous integration and delivery platform that helps customers keep their applications running across cloud or on-premise infrastructures. While Palantir began with a heavy focus on government contracts, it has rapidly expanded into the commercial sector, and its transition into artificial intelligence has driven massive growth. Palantir's major leap forward came in 2023 with the launch of its artificial intelligence platform, AEIP. This platform is designed to integrate AI-driven decision-making tools into real-time environments, allowing companies to unlock new insights and efficiencies from their data. This matters because AI is transforming industries. According to analysts, the global AI market is expected to grow from around $150 billion in 2024 to a massive $1.5 trillion by 2030. AI is no longer just for tech companies. It's being used across healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and government sectors to optimize operations, reduce costs, and predict outcomes. Palantir's AI tools help companies turn massive amounts of data into actionable insights. For example, in healthcare, Palantir's AI helps hospitals manage resources, predict patient needs, and streamline operations. In finance, Palantir helps banks detect fraud, predict risks, and make smarter investment decisions. In defense, Palantir's AI helps governments predict potential threats, track logistics, and analyze troop movements in real time. Palantir's most recent earnings report for Q2 2024 showed impressive growth. Revenue, $678.13 million, a 27% year-over-year increase. Net income, $134 million, a significant improvement compared to previous losses. U.S. commercial revenue grew by 55% year-over-year. Palantir raised its full-year guidance to between $2.74 billion and $2.75 billion, reflecting confidence in its growth trajectory. This signals that Palantir's management believes AI demand will continue to fuel rapid growth across industries. Strong commercial growth. Palantir's commercial customer base has grown from 14 customers to 300 plus, and the company secured 96 new contracts worth over $1 million in Q2 2024 alone. This growth is critical because it shows that Palantir's AI tools are being adopted not just by governments, but by large corporations across various sectors. One of Palantir's biggest advantages is its strategic partnerships. In 2023, Palantir deepened its relationship with Microsoft by integrating its AI platform AEIP with Azure Cloud and OpenAI services. This partnership allows Palantir to reach more customers, especially in the government and defense sectors, using Microsoft's extensive cloud infrastructure. This is important because Microsoft Azure is one of the leading cloud platforms globally, and by partnering with Microsoft, Palantir gains access to more cloud-based customers, increasing its scalability and reach. Additionally, integrating with OpenAI services enhances Palantir's AI capabilities, enabling its customers to harness the most advanced AI tools available. These partnerships help Palantir differentiate itself from competitors such as Amazon and Google by offering unique AI and cloud solutions that are trusted by governments and corporations. Palantir's revenue is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of around 20% for the next decade. This growth will be fueled by increased demand for AI and big data solutions across sectors. With the AI market projected to grow to $1.5 trillion by 2030, Palantir's potential for capturing market share is immense. Palantir's inclusion in the S&P 500 in September 2024 is a significant milestone. The inclusion often boosts stock demand as it attracts institutional investors, index funds, and mutual funds that track the S&P. Many analysts view this as a bullish indicator that could help lift Palantir's stock price in the near term, giving it increased credibility and visibility among larger investment firms. Let's break down how Palantir could reach $100 in the next decade. The stock is currently trading around $34.13. A consistent CAGR of 20% over 10 years could see Palantir's revenue triple or quadruple. At this growth rate, Palantir's stock could follow the trajectory of other successful AI companies, like Nvidia, which saw similar growth driven by AI demand. Experts have compared Palantir's potential to Nvidia's rise, as both companies have found themselves at the center of the AI boom. If Palantir continues on its current growth path, it could achieve similar success. While Palantir is showing massive potential, there are challenges. High valuation. Palantir's current price-to-sales ratio of 29 times might deter value investors who prefer lower multiples. High valuations can make it difficult for stocks to rise quickly unless they post consistent, strong earnings growth. Palantir faces stiff competition from other AI and data companies, including Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. To stay ahead, Palantir needs to continue innovating and expanding its customer base. Palantir's rapid growth also brings execution risks. As the company scales, it will need to maintain quality and avoid operational missteps. Expanding into new sectors too quickly can sometimes lead to failures in delivery or customer dissatisfaction. Palantir is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for AI and big data solutions. With its roots in government contracts, successful entry into the commercial space, and the launch of its groundbreaking AI platform, Palantir has laid the foundation for long-term growth. Additionally, its inclusion in the S&P 500 could further drive demand for its stock, making it an attractive option for institutional investors. Given the projected size of the AI market and Palantir's current trajectory, I believe the stock has a strong potential to hit $100 per share within the next decade. As the company continues to scale and secure key partnerships, Palantir's future looks incredibly bright. What do you think? Will Palantir reach $100 or are the risks too high? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep questioning.